Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a referral link in your emails. And there are two ways. We are going to start with the basic way and the advanced way with custom referral IDs. So just to illustrate this, let's suppose that I have a website like ZooTools.co, and I actually want to pass here a unique referral ID of the user. So anytime that he or she sign up, I can start counting like how many signups, who they are, and tracking everything for that particular user. I'm going to show you how easy you can do this on ZooTools. I'm going to create a new email campaign. Here, for example, I can say referral test, and I'm going to choose one of the templates here. For example, that one. All right, so now that we are loading the email editor, we are going to actually change and edit the unique referral ID. And I'm going to show you two ways. So let me actually clean this because that's the spoiler. That's actually the result. Okay, so with the variables with merge tags into the email, there is this thing called referral ID. We are going to automatically substitute the unique referral ID for the user anytime that you send the email. So if you have 100,000 signups or 100,000 contacts in your CRM, each of them, they will have a unique referral ID. By default on ZooTools, we basically assign as the referral ID the contact ID on ZooTools. But as we will see in the advanced step, you can actually pass a custom referral ID as well. Okay, so let's say we have this URL called https zootools.co referral, and here instead of 1 2 3 4 we're going to add one variable. So anytime that we actually send this email to the user, we will be automatically replace the link by their unique referral ID. Now let's go one step further. So let's say that you want to make this link clickable. I'm going to paste it again, and I'm going to drag and drop and select the whole text. I'm going to click on hyperlink, and I'm going to paste the URL that I want to use. As you can tell here, we need to pass also one variable for the referral. In this case, let me actually go back so I can show you. Let me actually save this. Oops, let me go back to the writing mode. Okay, so now that we have here, I'm going to choose the whole thing, click on hyperlink, paste that, and now we are going to actually pass the referral ID. Make sure to actually make the first letter, the first I, capitalized. Click save, and now this thing will be clickable. Okay, so let's send this email so we can see how things look like and how this this email is going to look into the user browser. Before I forget, there is a really cool way here where you can actually send a test email. So you can send this to yourself, just replacing certain variables so you can see how things look like. But in this case, let's just go ahead and send all the campaign. Amazing. So now we just sent the campaign to our sales, and let me actually open this up for you. All right. Shoop. Yep. So this is the email that we just received. As you see, the first one is the referral ID of the user. And sometimes the email clients like Gmail, they substitute links and they actually put the URL directly like that. So you can see that, I can actually click there and voila. You will see that now we actually pass the referral ID as the parameter. Awesome. So now let's actually go one step further. And using ZooTools API, there is a very easy way to actually pass a custom referral ID. So let's say that instead of actually using our default referrals that we are actually doing, you want to actually create your custom referrals. So, one user can have like Jorge as a referral code. So what I'm going to do now is, this is an advanced thing. So this is more for your developers if you're not one. I'm going to create one API key. So test API key. I'm going to copy this and going to paste it right here. And let me actually copy the endpoint. Okay, so this endpoint. So we are going to create a new contact into the CRM, but in this case, we are going to pass a custom referral ID. In this case, I want to actually call this Jorge. And the email is going to be George23. So let's actually create the contact into the CRM. So now if I refresh, you'll see that we have here George23. And now I'm going to actually create another user. Let's say another user that is going to be Paul. And Paul was invited by Jorge. So the referral is going to be Jorge. Now, if we come back to the dashboard and click on Paul, another user, you will see that this user was invited by this contact, in this case, Jorge. Okay, so now if we actually send again this email campaign, you will see that these two users, another user and Jorge, they will actually have a unique referral ID that is going to be their names. So let's actually create the projects. Now we are loading the email template builder. And here we are going to send. Let me actually remove this. And we are going to send the email right here, right now. It typically takes like a couple of seconds, but it really depends on your volume. If you have like a lot of emails, it may take longer. But now you see that this user has zootools.co/?referral Jorge. So this is a custom referral ID, and you saw that it was super easy. So that's all. I hope this video is super clear. If you have any questions, email us at support@zootools.co. But yeah, super happy and excited to see how you actually create your unique referral links with ZooTools. Bye.